It's surprising how much difference the right vacuum can make in how your home actually feels day to day, especially when cleaning stops feeling like a chore and starts feeling effortless. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence, where we help you make informed, practical, and confident purchase decisions. Today, we're looking at the Eureka WhirlWind Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner. If you're someone who wants a lightweight, low-maintenance vacuum that works across carpets, hard floors, and furniture without overcomplicating things, this might be worth your attention. The purchase link is available in the description below. This model sits in a very practical category of home cleaning tools, designed not for luxury or gimmicks, but for consistent, everyday usability. It's ideal for small to medium homes, apartments, or anyone who prefers a canister-style vacuum that's easy to move, easy to store, and simple to maintain. Now, let's break down why this vacuum stands out in real-world use. Reason 1. Multi-surface cleaning control. The Eureka WhirlWind is designed to transition smoothly between carpets, upholstery, and hard floors. With integrated airflow control right on the handle, you can adjust suction without interrupting your cleaning flow. This matters more than it seems, because in daily use, switching surfaces is constant. Whether you're dealing with pet hair on rugs or dust on tile, the adjustment feels intuitive and immediate, improving overall cleaning efficiency. Reason 2. Lightweight and easy maneuverability. Weighing just over 8 pounds, this vacuum is built for movement. It glides under furniture, around corners, and upstairs with minimal effort. The swivel steering and telescoping metal wand make it especially useful in tighter spaces. For users who struggle with heavier uprights, this design reduces fatigue significantly and makes whole home cleaning more manageable. Reason 3. Bagless convenience with washable filters. One of the biggest long-term advantages here is cost and maintenance. There are no replacement bags required, and the filters are washable. The 2.5L dust container is easy to empty with a single button release system. Over time, this reduces recurring expenses while keeping maintenance straightforward. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, this simplicity is one of the most appreciated aspects of the design. Reason 4. Smart built-in tools for everyday use. The integrated 2-in-1 crevice tool is built directly into the hose handle, meaning it's always within reach. No searching, no attachments getting lost. It quickly switches between a crevice tool and a dusting brush, making it practical for furniture, corners, and tight areas. Small design choices like this often make the biggest difference in real daily cleaning routines. Reason 5. Simple operation and time-saving design. From the automatic cord rewind to the straightforward dust cup release, everything about this vacuum is designed to reduce friction. It's not about complexity, it's about getting the job done quickly and moving on with your day. That's where it really earns its place in a household routine. Final verdict. The Eureka WhirlWind isn't trying to be a premium, feature-heavy flagship vacuum. Instead, it focuses on reliability, ease of use, and practical cleaning performance. The limitations are fair to note. It's not the quietest unit, and the dust capacity may require more frequent emptying in larger homes. But for apartments, everyday household cleaning, and users who value simplicity over complexity, it performs consistently well. If you're looking for a lightweight, budget-conscious vacuum that handles daily messes without added maintenance stress, this is a strong, practical option. If your needs are heavier duty or commercial level, you may want to look higher up the range. Either way, the best decisions come from matching the tool to your lifestyle, not just the specifications on paper.